As he went out of the room to make a call, suddenly I opened my eyes, sparking, stretching my arms, getting up, wiping the blood from my mouth. Such a fool you are, Jungkook. I sparked, hearing him coming here, so I lied on the bed, closing my eyes. He entered with the doctor, worried for me. Doctor, see what happened to YN. She vomited blood and fainted. Please check her. Doctor nodded, examining you. She was depressed that made her to vomit blood and fainted. I will write down some prescription, give her. She's so weak, so don't give her any stress. Keep her happy, he said and left. I slowly opened my eyes, half to see Jungkook talking to doctor worried. I sparked seeing him and closing my eyes again. Then Jungkook sat next to me, taking my hand, holding it tightly. I'm sorry, YN, for stressing you, calling you attention seeker. All is my fault, he said, holding your hand. Please open your eyes, I will never stress you. Will always keep you happy, he said as tears dropped from his eyes. As I was crying, suddenly YN moved her hand slowly, then slowly opened her eyes. I feel relief seeing her safe. I hugged her tightly, wiping my tears. Jungkook, what happened? You were about to ask, but he stopped you. Don't say anything. I'm sorry for stressing you, yelling at you. I was stressed hearing my deal got cancelled, so I got angry on you, making you to vomit blood and fainting. I'm sorry. I will always keep you happy, never let you stress about anything. You must eat a lot healthy, he said as you nodded. You rest for some time, I'll bring something to eat for you, he said smiling and left. I sparked as he left the room. Yes, Jungkook, I want you to keep me happy. Love me only. You're only mine. You thought sparking. Jungkook, enough. I can eat by myself, you said smiling. YN, you are sick and I will fully take care of you, he said, feeding you. Jungkook, you are treating me like a child and every day I am resting. I am bored, you said, pouting cutely. You must rest as you are not fully recovered. You are my everything, he said, kissing your forehead. YN, what are you doing here? You must rest, he said, crossing his arms. Jungkook, I have rest a lot. I am bored, so thought to make something for you, you said, smiling. But you are, he was about to say, but you stopped him. No, but now I am going to make your favorite cake. Help me with it, you said as he nodded, making the cake. Finally, we made it. Taste it, you said as he tasted the cake. It is so delicious, he said, eating more. After eating the cake, I took out my phone, turning on the music, playing the romantic song, as taking Jungkook's hand to dance with him happily. I was so happy dancing with Jungkook. As we were dancing so close to each other, I was about to kiss him, closing my eyes. But suddenly, YN, stop! He said, pushing you away. I wanted to keep you happy, but you're not giving me any space. I know it is hard for you, but there must be space in relationship, he said, looking at you. Jungkook, I just wanted us to become one, you said, pulling his hand. But you're suffocating me, he shouted at you. After hearing those words, my mind went blank. You're suffocating me? Everything went black and I fainted, leaving Jungkook worrying. I slowly opened my eyes, looking around, seeing me tied up. I tried to free myself but failed. I fainted at home, but how I'm here? I shouted, seeing a shadow walking towards me. You? Yes, it's me. Surprise! Only you will give me surprise, huh? Why not me? Jungkook, what are you saying? Surprise? If you are pranking, please stop it, you said, staring at him. I'm not joking or pranking. I will say now how you tried to fool me by fake vomiting blood and fainting. Then wanted to stay close to me? YN? Wait, you are not in fact my YN. YN, come out, he said, calling you as you walked towards them. Now there are two YNs. One is fake and another is real. Wait, I will relieve, he said, removing the mask from YN's lookalike. Arya, I know from the before you are not my YN. She will never pressure or suffocate me. Only you can. Arya, we broke up because you were obsessed and I feel suffocated in our relationship. You kidnapped YN and was living like her in front of me, but your attitude made you to court. You fainted because the last verse I told you when we broke up was, "You are suffocating me." I too acted in front of you because I needed time to find YN. Because I know you're so obsessed that you will do anything. So I found her finally, my love YN. You think if you act like YN, I will love you? No, you are wrong. You will never be like her. And I love only YN, he said, holding your hand tightly. Jungkook, if you can't be mine, then you can't be hers too, she said, pointing the gun and was about to shoot. Arya was about to shoot me, but she fell down and died. Then I saw YN shot her. I hugged her tightly, kissing her forehead. I was so scared when I got to know Arya kidnapped you. She was so obsessed that I thought I lost you. But I love you, YN, he said, smiling. I too thought the same. But our love will never lose hope. I love you too, Jungkook. We kissed happily, leaving the place.